I wanted to draw just kind of a rough sketch of what this possible future would look like in 2040. Now, compare that with my rough sketch of kind of the last element of the Cold War and what that might look like. So, in addition to sort of the sheer number and complexity of actors that I've put on here, and in fact, I've left some out, possible nuclear powers over that time frame, Saudi Arabia, Japan, South Korea, and others. But based on what I told you on the last couple of slides, that there's a diversity of weapon systems as well. And gone are the days of roughly parallel nuclear triads opposing one another, but many, many new means of attack. And add to that, well beyond the nuclear triads we had in the Cold War, add massive and capable aerospace defense complexes, space capabilities, cyber and electronic attack, and you have wildly complex nuclear environment. And in crisis, that means that complexity of interaction between actors, between different perceptions about the danger and effect of various actions, and perhaps increasing crisis instability. Moreover, for the U.S., which appears to be only recapitalizing its nuclear forces in a more modern echo of its 80s era triad, is divesting itself of many sub-strategic nuclear capabilities as well, ceding portions of the escalation ladder to adversaries in a crisis, which I think you'll probably hear about in the next briefing, but also eroding, for example, the credibility of our extended nuclear deterrence guarantees, of our extended nuclear guarantees to some of our allies and partners. And these trends are just some of that are just that we can see and discern today, but there are several extremely disruptive trends that are on the horizon: AI, biological engineering, space industrialization, for example, which will again further weigh on nuclear deterrence and proliferation issues. But again, those are ideas and discussions for another day. So with that, that's a real brief tour of kind of, again, I think I had 15 minutes, but I wanted to give you just a rough outline of the trajectory of nuclear deterrence and kind of what the broad outlines of that might look like over the next couple of decades. And with that, I guess we'll take a couple of questions and then move on to the next briefing. Thank you.